Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can share the link of your Pinterest board. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon and then select the board which you want to copy the link of. After that, you can find a 3-dot icon, tap on it and then select on the share button. Now, tap on the copy link option and that's it. You can paste the link and send the link of your Pinterest board to anyone you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.